Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. You have stumbled upon part 4 of my fuel pump assembly replacement on this 2004 Dodge Ram. Covers many engine size and models. Right here, these are the hoses that need to be reconnected when the bed gets lowered back down to its normal position. All these blocks need to be taken out. The filler neck and the breather hose that's right next to it both need to be connected. I would recommend replacing the hose clamp on the filler neck hose at this time as well. You see how far the bed is propped up on that driver's side. Just so you can see what I did, just be more safe than sorry, is I put these bolts, these retaining bolts, they're I think 7 or 9 inch long, ½ inch in diameter I believe. Put one on the front, one on the back. I had one in the center, already took it out. I just wanted you to see, so when I pivoted up on the passenger side, the bed wouldn't slide off. These kept it in its place, and they really worked well. Served their purpose for sure.
We have to do it slowly.
So like one at a time?
Exactly. So one on each side at a time. I'm going to lift it up. Actually, on this side, you're going to go to take 2 off. At once. So take 2 off the top, take 2 off here, and let me know, and we'll bring it down, okay? And when I say go ahead.
Go and like while you're watching too. Right there I was explaining that when we lower the bed, we can't lower it all the way back down. It's better to lower a little bit one side, then the other, and then come back to the driver's side to finish it off. So I was explaining that to G, that we're just going to take out 2 right here, lower it down, make sure everything settles right, go over to the other side, make sure everything looks good. It did, so we're going to go ahead and take a couple more out of here to make it level, 2 and 2 on each side. One fell out. She just lined them up right there.
You got those 2?
Wait.
Stop. Is it going to fall off by the tinder?
She thinks I'm He-Man, I guess. Can hold it forever. But it's okay.
Go ahead.
It's missing.
Alright, set it back down, just make sure everything's dropping back down just fine. Not squishing any hoses. Come over to your passenger side and do the same thing. Gonna go to lift up the bed. She's gonna take out the blocks. Drop the bed back down. Those retaining bolts are still in place, so it's allowing the bed to fall right back in the place it should. Lift up on this driver's side. Wasn't lined up just right. Yahtzee. And now we're gonna peek inside here. Get the breather hose connected. It just slides right on. Push it on, and it'll click. Make sure it clicks so it seals.
Not right here.
Get the filler neck hose on. Make sure you put the hose clamp on first.
I'm going to need your help again.
It didn't get very good leverage right down here or from the bottom. Go ahead and get to that from right here. Just slides right on. Tighten your hose clamp up. And then start putting your bolts in your bed. Get all the bolts finger tight first. Get everything lined up before you start tightening everything down. Don't forget all the bolts. From here on out, it really is just making sure you got all of your bolts in the proper position, your bed is lined up, get all these bolts in There's another retainer you can see I have right there. Might be a torque spec on this if you look it up, but Gudentite, German torque spec, seems worked out pretty good. Again, these are 18mm bolts. If you get a chance, check out ScottiesHobbies.com. Got this video and my Tahoe, the Acura, Corolla, and family fun videos on ScottiesHobbies.com. Here's another retainer on the passenger side. This is the front one up near the cab. Going to loosen that one up and get the bed bolt back in there. It just fell right out. Perfect. Here's your factory bolt going back in. Would have been nice if I would have looked at it a little bit better so I get a better camera view, but finger tight. Move on to the next one. Now that they're all in lined up, I'm hitting them with the gun.
What? Oh shit, I know that. Hopefully.
I don't have it on the high setting. I have it on, I think it's a 1 through 4 setting. I have it on the third one. I'm not holding down on that gun either. I'm pushing out, I think, 85 psi. Air compressor too, so pretty good. Now everything's buttoned up. I'm going to go ahead and use the gun on the first bolt that we started with our fingers. Line the bit up. And that's pretty much going to end it off. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully this helps you out. I got a few other videos on the Dodgers too. The secrets, or the secret way to pull the OBD2 codes is in my video library as well. And that should be it. Hopefully this helped you out. Go ahead and check me out on the next hopefully helpful video. I will see you on the next one.